guys, we are officially in Bali. I have just arrived. It's midnight here, which means 8 p.m. in Dubai. I will have full day here in Bali. So for me it's very important to actually go out and see something. If you want to travel, you have to find a way, okay? Even though I didn't plan anything, it's my fault. And look, they are giving us this very tasty cookies at the hotel. I don't know what that exactly is, but it's super tasty and it's green in the color, so that's weird, but it's extremely good. Tomorrow I'm gonna be on my own. I have to figure out what I'm gonna do. I have no idea. Oh my god, this is so tasty. I love it. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do tomorrow. This is Bali Island. This part of the island, I know it as my own pocket. Like, honestly, I saw it all. This part for me, it's not really interesting, so I'm not gonna go into it. From here all the way to the west, it's interesting. Beaches are beautiful. If you're coming to Bali, you want to see this part of the island. Every layover I was spending exactly here, so I decided that tomorrow I'm gonna go to this part of the island, and for the sunset I will go to Seminyak beach, which is somewhere here. Oh yeah, it's here. See you tomorrow, Bali. Ready to explore new part of Bali. Quite late for me. Look how beautiful my window view is. Just a single palm tree. For me it's so beautiful. I have quite a challenging day today. With only 24 hours, I'm planning to visit 2 completely different parts of the island and still make it back in time to rest before my night flight. Let's be real, on Bali, a bike is the only reasonable way to get around if you don't want to get stuck in the endless traffic. And also, it makes the whole adventure way more fun. First stop gonna be Sanur. It's a more laid-back and family-friendly part of the island, famous for a long beach promenade and stunning sunrises. If you are into restful life, shopping malls and restaurants, this might be your place. I'm curious what to see what Sanur has to offer. Right?
Yeah.
It's 12, so okay. 14. Thank you. So I rented this bike and it was such a brilliant idea. Don't have to walk anywhere. Look how beautiful the villas are here. Yeah, this is a paradise. Now I can say Sanur is a touristic spot, very crowded, yet still holding onto that Balinese charm. There is plenty of nature, beaches, and I would recommend renting a bike, so did I. You can cover it all in just 2 hours. For a cabin crew coming just for one day, Sanur can be a really rewarding stop. You can eat delicious food, you can eat plenty of food, do some shopping, and still relax in the nature. Down for coffee? Yeah. Thanks. I can't believe my eyes. Look how beautiful this place is. So actually I went from here all the way down. Look guys, I don't think this is how usually they serve avocado toast. Wow. Whoa, that's crazy. So the road looks like this most of the time. 10 minutes left. extra. I stopped by Bali and I'm waiting for my driver to take me from here. We're going to Seminyak beach, so it's actually the other side of the island. 40 minutes drive. Thank you so much. Wow, teraz będą tego latawca. Leci. Wow, jaki wielki! Oh my god! Przecież to się nie kończy. Co oni to wpuścili? Wow! So now let's do a photoshoot I was dreaming about with the flowers. All the people are standing and just watching, just like this. Alright, I promise this is the last stop for today. Thank you so much. Wow, such a big bag. If I could only describe you the smell here, like, I don't know, it smells like the best thing in the world.